Solving Facebook Advertising Enigma. Hey guys, in this particular video, we're going to be diving inside Facebook advertisement, so I need you to focus totally. This is one of the most important Facebook advertisement videos to ever come across in your online marketing career. So, if you want to do some other stuff like playing the mobile phone or checking your husband or wife, do stop that now. What I want you to do is grab a pen and paper and have 100% focus inside this video. Let us see the reasons and benefits of using Facebook advertisements. Facebook ads are used to increase your fan base, as already discussed, to promote your events like a marketing event, a launch, or whatever, for your brand exposure, especially for promoting a product or particular corporate, selling a product or services with external pages, also for targeted lead generations. Now, here are some Facebook advertisement tips. These are some generic tips which apply for any kind of Facebook advertisements. Tip number 1. Research Facebook interest. This is very important. Once you create an ad, Facebook helps you to research interest areas of your target market. This is similar to finding targeted keywords, but the advantage here is that Facebook do suggest you related interests. Always target bigger reach in order to minimize your Facebook advertisement cost. So the rule is that the more reach you have, the less you pay for your Facebook advertisement, which you'll see in the later video once you set up a live campaign. Tip number 2. In case of running a page like or promote your page advertisement, use "click like if you love" phrase. This is very similar to promoting any particular marketing or your own brand page. If you want people to like your page, being creative is unnecessary. Just use a simple phrase like "click like if you love pit bulls" or "click like if you love making money online." As simple as that. Let's go ahead. Tip number 3. Use ad images that pop. This is very important. I'm sure you have seen Facebook advertisements on the right side of your Facebook page or also in your news feeds. The first impression is the most important impression as a prospect, so the image must pop out. Use borders, headshots, and the lesser text, the better it is for you. Tip number 4. Model after the ads you like. I used to do when I started in Facebook marketing the good advertisement, all the pictures, all the good contain, all the headline, which is you to see. I always keep to see, be ready all the same, so you can once you do your advertisement, if you follow 100 to 100 advertisement, and if you know to stop nurturing those ads in your mind. Now, once you set up your own advertisements, they always appear in your mind, and you can set it or model your advertisement after them, or you can go to a library and always search or look after those ads and kind of set it after that. Anya Kanu? Tip number 5. Test small. Now remember, once you set up a Facebook advertisement, even if how ninja you are or how cool you are as a marketer, you need to test the advertisement. This is because you're going to have a different target market, different spinner, different image, so always test small. Start with a budget of $5 per day because it will do less and it's cheap. The more money you give, the more Facebook consumes. So if you give Facebook $500 a day, it just spends and consumes all of it in one day and just giving you a higher reach. But once you give them lesser amount of money, Facebook will be very choosy in showing your ad to people. You can also test 5 or 6 different kind of images with different kind of text and headlines to see which one is performing better. Next is tip number 6. Pause losers, scale winners. If you run 5 to 6 ads simultaneously, test them and see which ones are performing well and the ones that are not. Pause the ones which are not doing well or tweak them and always scale up the winners. You can go up to $20 to $50 per day if they are doing good and if they are giving a good ROI to you. Now, as I told you, when you create an image, always have a clear headshot and try to have a border to make the image pop out. Here's an example which I did for one of my products. So you can see a nice image with a very little text. Then I have a nice border over here, so it kind of pops out once the ad runs. Here's the thing. If you are a marketer who is just getting started and all excited, always be honest in Facebook advertisement, because marketing is all about honesty and sincerity. It is not about faking things. So if you're using an image or a headshot, use your own image, because two things are going to happen. Number one, you're going to build the trust factor, because when someone clicks the image and Googles your sales page and sees your video, they would immediately think, oh my God, this person is the real deal. He is a real person. Number two, it is also building a brand image. Select a picture that can give a story, which can give an impact to your audience. Trust is also built up between you and your audience. Try to give pictures which are showing your happiness, laughter, or enjoyment. No one likes to see a grumpy face because who wants that? So try to give pictures which kind of show a positive attitude and creates a positive resonance. I believe you got the idea, guys. Moving forward, let's discuss the 3 different kinds of Facebook advertisements. Number 1, promoted post ads or boost post ads. Number 2, promote your page ad or page-like advertisement. And number 3, send people to your website ad, or which was previously known as the external pages ad. First, the promoted post ad is a very focused strategy. It is used to promote a status update on your wall or turning that status into an actual ad. Once you see a particular post doing well, getting likes, comments, and getting a viral effect, you can of course promote that particular post to get more likes and exposure. Your brand image will also get built up. Plus, what happens once you promote a boost post ad? It secretly puts some kind of link for your sales or capture page. It automatically includes the like, share, and comment buttons, which is nice. And the best part is, it's super duper easy to set up. If you have never done any Facebook advertisement before, or you feel kind of scared, try this, guys. It doesn't require any kind of copywriting skills. Nothing is really required. Just follow the steps and you can be setting up your first Facebook boost post ad. Let me quickly go inside one of my fan pages and let me show you how to do that. So here you can choose a post you want to boost. Just click the boost button over here. Then Facebook will ask you what type of audience you want your post to be shown. This is great, especially if you have a small number of fans. So what I can do is select an audience here to reach a bigger number of people who can see this ad. You can also edit the location. Once I do that, we can immediately see that my reach has increased. If you are someone who is just getting started and still doesn't have any kind of likes in your Facebook fan page, you can also select people you choose through targeting. In here, you can edit your audience so you can target specific people. You can add the countries you like here, what age range, their gender, and interests. You can see that Facebook automatically gives suggestions while you are typing. Then click Save, and that's how easy it is. So here's the recap. You can either select the people who like my page or the people who like your page and their friends. You can also choose the duration of the ad and your payment method, and all the good stuff. Then, they will show you how your ad is going to appear both in the desktop and mobile news feed. The like, comment, and share button is going to appear below it too. I believe that this is enough to give you the understanding about boost post ads and how they are going to work for you. So guys, nothing difficult over here. Just try to do your fast boost post ads and send a testimonial of yours. You're ready for that. I believe you are now really enjoying this topic, and I'll see you in the next video. Promote your page ads. Let us continue inside the Facebook advertisement. In the last video, we've discussed about boost post ad. In this video, we're going to start with promote your page or page-like advertisements. We've now seen how we can create a Facebook fan page. So in this video, we'll see the advantages, the methods, and the benefits of promoting your Facebook fan page through Facebook advertisement. First of all, Facebook page-like ads are used to increase your Facebook fan base quickly. Obviously, you can go inside your niche and you can increase your fan base exponentially. Ability to like your page from one click. Your prospect or your target market can like your page. After liking, they will begin to see your posts in their newsfeed. They'll start seeing your posts, your photographs, and your updates on a daily basis in their newsfeed. Obviously, just great for brand building. Questions typically work good for engagement ads. The goal is to get like and fan. So, what we'll do next is we'll go quickly inside my Facebook account, and we'll see how we can set up a Facebook fan page or a Facebook like ad quickly. First, we should go to Facebook Ads Manager, which is located here on the left side of the Facebook screen. It'll load up for a few seconds. You can also do this through your Facebook Power Editor, but since the Facebook Ads Manager is simple to work with, I'll show it through this particular method. The next step is to click on Create Ads. Then, you need to choose the objective of your campaign or your ad. For our demonstration, let's choose Promote Your Page, since our goal is to get likes for our page. After that, Facebook will ask you which particular fan page of yours you want to promote, or you can also enter the URL. After choosing the page, the next question is, who do you want your ads to reach? That means they are talking about your target audience. This is the most important thing, so you have to set up your audience or your target market correctly. Now, you can choose your custom audiences, but I'll keep that blank as for now. In locations, let's put 5 English-speaking countries, which are the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, and Canada. We can get a high reach by choosing these countries, and since English is our universal language, it is easy for us to connect and communicate with them. You should also include your home country, because you can also get a lot of audience here. Next is age. Let's keep it blank. Language, let's keep it blank. Here is important. Interest. In this particular page, which we want to promote, it is about making money online. Depending on the niche that you want to promote, you have to set this up. Let's put Make Money Online. Let's also put Online Lead Generation. Let's do one for online marketing. There are a lot of target people, so you just need to choose properly. So, you can see that we are increasing our potential reach over here. And as we have said before, the wider your reach is, the more number of people you have, which is totally better for you. And once you have input some keywords in there, Facebook is also going to help you by giving suggestions, which you can browse too. In behaviors, let's keep it blank for now. Next, under connections, there's Facebook pages, which is also very important, so you have to set that up appropriately. You could also exclude people who like your page already and add some more pages for that. But for our demonstration, I'll leave it blank. Moving on, you can choose your daily budget. You can choose $5 to $10 per day, and you can also set up the schedule of your ads. After completing that page, click on Choose Ad Creative. Nowadays, Facebook offers you 2 kinds of setup. One is your image setup, and the other is video. If you choose the image setup, you can upload your own images. Choose images from your Facebook page or from the stock images. On the other hand, if you choose the video setup, you can upload a video or choose from your library. You can also create a slideshow if that is better for you. Next, what text and links do you want to use? Inside the text box, we could write, helping you to become online marketing experts instantly. So you can see the ad preview on the right side of our screen. Then, let's check the advanced options. We could add a nice headline there. Usually you could just write the name of your fan page, so let's put it there. In the landing view, let's just keep it blank. So we're almost done with this. The good thing is, Facebook always gives you the ad preview at the right side immediately. You can see how it looks in the desktop newsfeed, the mobile newsfeed, and in the desktop right column. They all look different in each preview. So you also have the option to remove it if you don't like how it looks. I believe I have given you enough knowledge on how we can set up a Facebook page like ads. First, select the page you want to promote. Give a campaign name. Choose your locations, including your own country. Choose your interest very, very carefully. Then, you can exclude the people who like your page. See your target potential reach and set up your daily budget. You can even put ad set name also. Then, you can select your image or video and put your text and headline, which will all appear on the ad preview on the opposite side of the screen. Another cool thing which you must do, you have to create 3 or 4 sets of different ads with different images and headlines. This is to see which one is performing well and which is giving you the highest ROI. I believe we have discussed how to create your own Facebook fan page well enough. I hope you are enjoying this stuff, guys, as much as I enjoyed making the video. In the next video, we will make another Facebook advertisement, which is called the External Pages ad. This is where we will learn how to promote your other pages, other affiliate offers, or other pages through Facebook ads. Stay tuned, and this topic is going to make you super duper ninja. See you in the next video.